What's up, you crazy people? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing a 60-second tips video all around the best times to post to Facebook. If you're new here, my name is Damien Ruth. I do videos all around social media marketing, how to make money online, and I touch on a little bit of crypto as well. So if you don't want to miss any of those style of videos, make sure to smash that subscribe button and tap the bell so you get notifications on all my videos. So let's go. Okay, so there's three main good times to post to Facebook. They are: you have your early morning, which is around 7 a.m. and this is when people tend to wake up and they grab their phone, they turn off that alarm and they go straight onto the social media or they check text messages, okay, and particularly Facebook. So this is a good time to post and catch people just as they wake up and they're just having their breakfast. And in particular, one of the main reasons is a lot of people commute to work, and this is when they're on the mobile phone and they're checking the social media profiles. The next time is actually when people have finished work at 5 p.m. because generally a lot of people don't have access to Facebook during office hours, which is generally around 9 to 5. And the next best time is 11 p.m. This is the time when people are winding down, they've finished the day, they've come back from work, they've put the kids to bed, and they're just generally relaxing and unwinding, or they're just going to bed and they're on the mobile lying in bed. So 11 p.m. is another time where they're indulging into the social media platforms, particularly Facebook. So stick to these three times and you should notice a change. They may not work for you, but just have a play around and see what does. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed these 60-second tips. If you want to see more 60-second tips, make sure to check out my playlist just here. I've got plenty more 60-second tips in my series and there's more to come. So thank you for watching. My name's Damien Ruth. Make sure to smash that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. And I shall see you on the next video.